Hello everybody, welcome to the channel, Man Mick here. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. This video is regarding the Zontes 350E. The video is in Chinese subtitles, but I just wanted to show you the actual how to take the wheel off, extension legs, because they're full legs, not like a normal scooter, they've got full legs, and the yoke, if you ever need to take the yoke or change the race bearings. But this is just to take the wheel off if you ever need to do a tyre, etc. So firstly, you'd have to take the Zhejiang brake caliper off the front. There's two bolts and there's a ABS ring there as well. You would take off, then you would have to take the mudguard off front. You release some of these bolts because they're a bit faster. Then obviously take the wheel off, you have to loosen it off. That's the first point there on the two nuts, and then get the wheel shaft out. The video, although it's in Chinese, when they put it all back together, they will show you the torque. So now they're raising the bike, take the front wheel off the floor, so they can actually take the front wheel out. Middle section out now. So that's it. So if you need to change the tyre, or you want to change the tyre because you don't like the tyre and you want to put a Michelin or Bridgestone on, you could easily do that. Tyre. The dealership would change, it's like a dealership would change the tyre for you to whatever tyre you want on there. Obviously you'd have to have all the plastics off after doing this, and I've got videos on how to take all the plastics off as well. But this is just taking the top handlebar part of the yoke off. It runs down, and after they release this and take off this part where the handlebars go on, then it will release down to the bottom. But now they're going to take the legs off, so just like a normal motorbike, you've got the top nuts holding it in place, and then the two at the bottom holding it in place, hold the fork leg in place. I'm not sure what the ride quality is like with having a fork legs against normal half tube legs on, but I'm sure it's brilliant. So now they've taken both the fork legs off, so now they're going back to the top so they can release the nuts that hold the inner part of the bottom section, so you can get to the race bearings at the bottom. The different used to be just bearings in the olden days, but now they're like a raised race bearing. You can see at the bottom as it comes up now, as it lowers it, see the race bearing at the bottom. So you can always grease that or whatever. But generally you wouldn't ever have to change these. This is an instructional video for a dealership if they ever need to do any of this work. Now he's going to put it all back together, put this part back on, then put the fork legs on, and then put the wheel on so you can see how the wheel goes back on as well. Hope you're enjoying the videos. Plenty of videos in the playlist, over 1,700 videos, mainly to do with Zontes motorbikes, how to do on every model, and they're in Chinese, Arabic, English, French and Spanish subtitles, so whichever language obviously you know, then you can look for your videos in the playlist for your particular model on the 125s, the 150s, the 200cc, 310 models and the 350cc models are all in there. So please look in the playlist. This is Man Mick. I'm going to sign off now and I'll let you watch the video. Bye for now.
Till I'm dead was gone and done. Said I had 20 weeks to do what I preached. Few weeks till I'm dead was gone and done. Said stress. Long after I'm dead, and I'm fine. I'm on grass, watching the